accusation here that the hares.
He said, don't go that way, go that way.
That was the hare's fault.
It was the hare's
I don't believe you.
Which hare?
The screwdriver.
The big one or the wee one?
Yeah.
It wasn't me.
He sent me the wrong way. And it was
You.
No.
The wrong way.
No, it can't be Bushwhacker because Bushwhacker couldn't find any paper coming back.
Where's
What do you mean it wasn't
screwdriver?
you? It wasn't me.
It was screwdriver.
It wasn't me, it was him.
Where's screwdriver?
Screwdriver.
Screwdriver!
We had to find it.
That's it.
Get in here.
Oh, you just been grasped by your...
That's the man, he did it.
The only reason this guy's late is he sent him the wrong way. We've never been over there. Don't get your beer over.
But who's telling the truth? Tinks, which one is telling the truth?
Which one's telling the truth? I don't know.
Yeah, is it this guy, or is it the snitch over here?
The hashes. No one tells the truth. It was
Get the
his fault.
snitch in.
He told him. Ian, put out. Yeah, he walked over there. He had a little walk, so butt out never went out on trail.
You can't believe a thing they say, they're like
He was
politicians.
fine all along.
Okay. Here's to the, I don't know, what are they? It's the last, the late
This is the
runner
guy that
and
gets
the
lost because of the hair. He's
bullshit.
He's a usher through and through. He's a brisk one, so they say. Never gonna have it in a long, long way.
Down. You want to come here with the new move. Okay. Right. I need a refill. So,